Amazon finds kitchen gadgets worth buying this month. Number 1. Rolling grill baskets. Our grill baskets feature removable beechwood handles that are not only visually appealing, but also offer excellent grip and superior heat insulation. The handles are secured to the grill baskets with threaded connections, and the attachment points are specially reinforced to ensure stability and reliability. Number 2. Farberware meat and potato masher. Easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The oversized BPA-free nylon head is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a safe tool for cooking ground meat, potatoes, and other hot foods. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including nonstick and coated. Number 3. Sausage Roll Maker by Starblue. The food-grade and smartly designed breakfast machine have the capacity to make 4 sausage rolls simultaneously that enables you to make more of them in less time. The versatile snack maker is perfect for making various types of rolls, pies, desserts, hot dog bread, and various other breakfast and snack items. Number 4. Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum. Sealer for food. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. Number 5. Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Forget the hassle of cutting wood and open flames. This portable unit is built with safety in mind. The electric flameless heater requires nothing but an outlet to start making perfect golden brown s'mores. Family night done right. Bring all the excitement of this campfire tradition right into the comfort of your home.